How to take care plants during rainy season. Focus on improving drainages, adjusting watering and protecting plants from excess moisture and fungal diseases. This includes ensuring pots have drainage holes, loosening soil and using mulch to return nutrients and prevent erosion. Pruning dead leaves and providing shelter during heavy rain also helps prevent pests and disease. To protect plants from rain, provide good drainage by improving soil and creating channels. Use physical barriers like plastic sheeting, shade clothes, or raw covers to shield from heavy rain and offer support by stalking tall plants to prevent wind damage. For potted plants, move them to a sheltered location or place a temporary cover over the pots. Which fertilizer to use in the rainy season? You can use organic fertilizer like compost, vermicompost, or well-rotted manure, cow manure, goat manure, bone meal, magnesium sulfate. Nutrient lost due to rain. Rain also stimulates plants to grow. Without much rain, the plant's metabolism will be focused on survival and it would not dedicate much resources to growth. Damage or plant death may not show up until months later. The long-term outcome depends on the plant, how long it was sitting in such soil and whether the plant sidesteps setbacks while whole roots regrow. Most needed evergreens are specially vulnerable but do not turn brown and drop needles for weak or even much. Fertilizer in rainy season: nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. What a balanced feed. Balanced NPK fertilizer, compost or vermicompost. Thank you.